Do you actually need the product or you have scrolled enough? That's the motto I live by these days. Wow! Hello everyone. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and welcome back if you are already my subscriber. I'm shooting a long video after so long time. Really nervous and excited. I'm a huge mask lover girl. I have like so many masks with me. I can show you actually. Wait. I can show you. Wait, let me fix this. Did I switch it off? I can recall my corporate time. Am I audible? So I told you that I have so many masks. Actually, I have it, and I have so many. My hands are actually paid money for. I have those chemical masks, and I have these homemade masks, and also this. I use this, and I have one or two in my refrigerator also. I can tell you that you will love all of these recipes from my mother. So you can tell that I am a huge mask lover. There are certain masks I have, those are not needed, okay, but I have purchased it anyway. Absolute goblin behavior. Now, please behold your seats because star of the day is about to appear. So, this is Beauty of Josad's Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. I'm gonna talk a lot about this product. I still stuttered in the name. Pardon me. I personally do not like to throw away cart the box of the product, so there are products almost going to be empty, but I have their outer box with them. So this is stupid silly things you do. So it comes with a spatula and this dabba. This is 140 ml. I have used this product for 5 months and I can actually tell you that it's worth your money or not. I will give you the ingredient list on the screen so you can actually read it. But I'm going to yap about the key ingredients in this product. First is kaolin clay, which works to minimize the appearance of pores and also absorbs the excess sebum. Second is red bean extract, which actually removes the debris and also absorbs sebum and does not let your skin feels dry and cranky. Now you must be wondering how a clay mask works. Pores are the channels which allow sebum to escape from our skin, right? But sometimes excess sebum or dead cells clogs the pores, which causes our pores to become bigger. Therefore, we will need to get rid of the material which have clogged our pores so they can actually get smaller in size and does not appear on too much on our skin. So we will start from a basic, that is a good exfoliator and good serum. And this product has both in it. Don't just go running to buy this product. Watch this video till end and you will thank me later. Now I will tell you my experience with this product. So I have been using this for more than 5 months. I am saying this again and again. I should stop. I have used this for so many months and I have almost like half of it finished. It goes long way. It's very easy to use. What you need to do is clean your face with a mild cleanser, dry your face, and apply this a very thin layer. You do not need thick layer, a very thin layer on your entire face. Avoid the eye area so it doesn't cause any burning or sensation. It does not burn actually, but avoid the eye area. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. It gives a very hydrating effect and your skin feels very plump after the use. And no big pores on site. So is it worth it or not? Price of this product is 1790 rupees for 140 ml. For comparison, I will tell you petrol is 100 times cheaper than this. Here comes the most important question. So do you actually need it? No, if you have niacinamide, salicylic acid or retinol in your skincare regimen, you do not need this product. You do not need this extra in your routine. From my experience, it does work. Actually, if you it does work, but afterglow lasts only for 2 days at max. So the conclusion is, if you are seeking instant happiness for a new product and you have unlimited budget, you are not on budget and you have money to spare, go for it. But if you are on a budget, okay, and you have retinol or niacinamide or salicylic acid or any exfoliator in your skincare routine, I don't think you need it. Do not spend your money, save it. I was thirsty. I yapped a lot. Okay, so you got it now. What you need to do? पैसे बर्बाद नहीं कर. Let's not do that. Let's not do what I do. Let's be responsible. समझ आया ना क्या करना? Do not spend your money irresponsibly like I do. That's not wise. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till now. And if you're new here, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful. And stay tuned for next videos. Yay! Thank you. Bye bye.